So what are these claims when it comes to JSON Web Tokens? So if you read the official specification, then it says, well, a claim is a piece of information asserted about a subject. A claim is represented as a name-value pair consisting of a claim name and a claim value. So I think initially it is a little bit confusing, like when you start getting into this, and also when you start looking into JSON Web Signature tokens, and you kind of see, hey, there's like just a key value pair, right? Like here you just have the key and here's the value. It's like a normal JSON object. Why is this called a claim? Like, what is a claim even? And why is this whole thing here called like a claim set? Technically speaking, this is just a key value pair, right? But the thing is that in security, like the name claim just has like a special meaning. And claim means that some provider, like whoever created this token, makes a statement, like an assertion about someone else, like a subject, right? Could be like a server who gets the token, a person who gets the token. Like you make a statement about a subject. And the thing is that the key value pair that you have like in here, so to say, they are different because they are part of a security token, right? Because these values are actually taken into account in the message authentication code or the digital signature. So basically you can say, because JSON Web Tokens or JSON Web Signature tokens exist in this whole security realm, so to say, and because you also create a digital signature or like a message authentication code out of it, people always refer to them as claims, because claim is like more specific. It's not just any key value pair, right? But it's like a statement made by whoever created this token about someone else. And this just has a specific meaning in security. But I realize this is like a little bit confusing, or it might be a little bit confusing at first. And the main thing to understand is that there are specific predefined claims. So for example, ISS stands for issuer. So who created like the token? And IAT stands for issued at. So these two are public claims, so they are like predefined. But you can also make up your own claims. So for example, roles, as far as I know, is not a standardized claim. The thing here is that basically the claim name is the key and the claim value is the value, like just like in a normal JSON object. Cool, so that is it pretty much about claim. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you have any other question, reach out to me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @productioncoder. So thank you so much and see you around. Bye bye.